by this log that I'm installing comes from LMK Electronics. I will provide a link down in the bio for him. Real nice guy. Great product as well. Not my first log, but definitely a log to have. So, my plan is to take the log across the edge of my driveway here, across the edge of the front of the cement, back up the driveway, and across the front of the garage. And this wire, pretty thin. It's 0.75 millimeter wire, so very, very small wire. And 100 feet of it. And one length of the driveway going north-south almost is 25 feet. The other side's 50 feet, so there's 50 feet of wire accounted for. Now remember, this needs to come back around in a square format, so that should be pretty simple to do. Let's get to it. Rule number 1 of wire trailing: don't throw it. One helpful thing he did include: little tint type spikes. There's 5 of them. Yeah, there's 5 of them. And these will be great for holding the wire down while I finish putting it all together. One important rule with family: happy antennas. This antenna is going in the cracks along the outside edge of the driveway so that nothing can be tripped over. And I mean nothing can be tripped over. Goes down the edge and then along that bottom crack there once I have this wire stretched out. And the same will be done with the last bit of wire right here. Unable to tell that there's even a wire here. Transformer box can go right there, so the buried coax goes along the edge of this cement. Alright, let's get this attached. I'm just hand cranking these. They don't need to be that tight. So just a quick little recap. Here is the LMK transformer for the loop on ground or beverage receiver. And you can see the 2 wires coming out. One starts across here and goes across the driveway. I'm gonna have to secure that a little more, but it's fine for now. It goes down that side of the driveway all the way down, right along the edge, down into this crack along the outside edge of the driveway, and then back up the other side and over into the transformer again. Alright folks, so that is the loop on ground or log antenna. Big shout out to Josh over at Ham Radio Crash Course for turning me on to this antenna. It is absolutely fantastic. I can already tell you that right now. And I will provide a link to his YouTube channel and Discord down in the description, along with where to buy this loop on the ground. Now, let's go check out how it sounds. So, now that we're back at the radio, let's take a look at this. This is with my regular in-fed half wave up on the masts about 25 feet in the air. You can tell there's just enough noise there. Now, let's switch over to the beverage antenna. Alright, so this is now on the beverage antenna, or loop on ground, whichever you want to call it. Still able to hear FT8 just fine, but all that noise went away. Absolutely love it. And that must have been one heck of a test. Until next time, 73, and bro, do you even wiggle your RF like Shane's banana?